It's day 27 of the 31 days of prioritizing your sanity. Your challenge today is to do your breath work. We're 27 days in, don't stop now. Set your intention for today. And your mini task for today is to give yourself permission to rest. We're coming to the end of the year, the end of the month, and it's possible that you may be exhausted just from life, just from emotions, life, from all the stuff we've had going on. Give yourself permission to rest. What does that look like to you, for you? Is it a nap? Is it a short, long walk? Is it taking a bath? Is it reading a book? Is it watching a movie? Whatever it looks like for you, let me know in the comments. Give yourself permission just to rest.